Hi, folks. We're going to make a cassava cake, and you're going to need these ingredients. Here we go. 2 packages of grated cassava, 1 package of young shredded coconut, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 can of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of margarine, 4 eggs. Topping, it's going to be condensed milk and cheese. Preheat the oven to 375. Add the 4 eggs, then 1 cup brown sugar. Add the margarine, mixing as you add it in. Then put 1 cup of coconut milk, then mix. Put 2 packages of grated cassava, then 1 package of young shredded coconut, and mix thoroughly. Brush the dish with margarine. Then pour the mixture into the pan, which is a 9 by 11 baking pan. Place the pan in the oven and bake it for 45 minutes. Now it's time to add the topping, which is the cheese and condensed milk, and then broil for 15 minutes. After broiling, let cool and cut up and serve.
Oh, yum.